Are you riding? Are you hiding today? We going to the pump track. It's like 41 degrees out. Look at that. 41 degrees out. It's gonna be cold. Let's do this thing. All right, we're all loaded up. Oh, it's so hard to hold. It's so hard to hold this thing. It's so small like this. I'm so used to oh my goodness. Bro, I'm so tired of this place. So my carport leaks that I park my truck under. I don't drive it all the time. I drive my car a lot more. My car's sitting right there. I drive my car more, but my truck is my baby. And keeping this, even though it sits, it's like keeping this thing clean. Like, look at this. Like, look at the water drops. And then what happens is those things turn like white, you know? So when they dry up, it turns like a white crust almost on top of the paint. But you would think keeping it parked, it would stay clean, but nope. That car for some reason stays cleaner because I move it around all the time. But the truck's got miles on it. Ooh. But it starts up every single time. Anyway, that's not what you guys are here for. We're gonna go ride the pump track today. I'm hoping next weekend, I wanna get out to this place. There's a place called Stafford Lake. That's about 40 minutes from me, and the bike park is insane, man. So hopefully next weekend that will be the goal. But I just did this last second because I mean I gotta get out and ride more. I gotta get out and ride more. You know, now that I got a bike, it's like, what am I doing? What's my excuse? When I had my stunt bike, I rode that thing every day, even if I just did circles in the parking lot right here, you know? So it's like, what's my excuse right now? You know, I did hit my head. I did have a really bad concussion about 5 months ago. So that's kind of why I didn't really go ride for a while too. You know what I mean? That thing knocked me silly for a little bit. But anyway, that's not what we're here for either. So let's go. We're gonna go hit the pump track right now. Had to make a pit stop at the gas station real quick. I literally left the house with no water. That wouldn't have lasted long for me, you know? I get tired quick at the pump track. I don't know, you guys, it takes a lot of work, you know what I mean? Street riding is fun, but the pump track is where the workout's at, you know what I mean? All right, hold on, we're gonna be there right now. So I guess this is gonna be the new thing now, whenever I get here, just to have a low tire. So let's pump this thing up real quick. Probably need a new inner tube, to be honest. All right. Hopefully that's enough air in the tires. But let's jump on the bike. I don't even want to walk all the way over there, but we're not too far from the truck if we do blow the tire today, because I don't know if you guys saw the last one, but I was all rim most of the time, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm not walking this thing. I don't know if the mic's picking this up, but the dogs are going crazy over here. It's like they're gangbanging on each other. One dog started barking over there, and then dogs started just going crazy around here. It's a little quieter now, but Jesus, bro. Okay, yeah, that feels a lot better. Okay. Oh. I just walk in with your max on me. Your max on me. Ooh, there it is. In all its glory. Just a little after 8 in the morning, so. Oh yeah. Yep. There's a ton of rocks out. I'll probably fall. Oh well. Let me see. I like to set my shit in the middle of the pump track because I got my drone, all the camera stuff in here. That way if somebody steals it, I got time to film up before they get my stuff. You know what I mean? So we'll set this thing about right here. No thieves. Yeah, we're good. All right. Oh wait, keys got to go too. Everything's got to come out the pockets. Yeah, so if this thing had more of a lip, I think you could clear this for sure. But see, I'm not I don't know, maybe I'm not that good. I gotta try harder. That's what's gonna happen. Try harder, Nino. Let's do this. And I know in the last video, it didn't look like I could clear this or make this turn. I can make the turn, don't worry. I got distracted because I slipped over here and I just went up and over instead, but let's do this. You gotta like start back here to get some good speed. Last time I came here, my tires were not pumped up enough. I think that's probably the slide I was feeling, was not having enough air in my tire so my rim would move on the tire, if that makes sense. That was throwing me off. I just handled that thing a lot better. Okay, that was one lap. Let's keep going. Oh, see? You gotta start off fast right here. Well, let's try to hit that double. Oh, I lost it on that one. Yeah, this is one of those things you have to consistently do it, because I'm burnt out by the time I hit that first turn over there. Let's go. Oh, shit. Sorry, I need a water break. This thing is tiring. We'll work on it again. Let's see what I can do. Went off track. Start trying to do some other shit, we'll just focus on jumps. I can't hit the track. So we'll try to turn this into some kind of jump line somewhere and just focus on that. That's 4 laps. 4 laps, not consistent either. 4 laps just bullshitting. Ride, take a break. Ride, take a break. I want that double really bad. All right, so I don't hit that as hard. Yeah. Watch out for that one. Okay. Let's try that. Crackheads are yelling right now. Yo, them crackheads are angry. Fucking nuts. Oh, went off. Let's see what kind of speed I can get on the kids pump track. Yeah, I lose it right there. All right. Yeah, the crackers are going ham. They're going ham in the park right now. That's crazy. You probably can't even hear that on the camera, but they're yelling. All right. Let's see. I'd be hella mad living over here every morning. That's all you hear. Ah. All right. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna try to hit this. Let's see. Come off this roller and just dive into this. Yeah. It's tiring. I'm fucking burnt out. It's a nice park though. Look at this. It'd be nice if there was a little more lip though on some of these things. These are really all just rollers. Maybe I'm complaining, I just suck, but I could hit it with a lip. Like a little bit more of an angle to it. But somebody who has a little bit more experience than me might do better. Will do better, you know? Wow. Oh, yeah, I'm exhausted. All right, we'll set up. Let's set the camera up and start trying to give you guys some shots. Bueno. Luckily I have more, but I took off the fucking pin to the GoPro and dropped that bitch. Wow. Stupid fuck. Let's see if it's over here. I didn't go far with it. Don't tell me the ride's over. I don't think I got another one with me. Well, I couldn't find my little pin for the GoPro. I lost it. So hopefully, I think I got another one at the house. I got a couple. I gotta find them, but I'm gonna be mad if I have to order one, bro, or go find one at Walmart or something. But that's all right. I had a good time. Next time I'll bring the tripod, man, so that way you guys can see like some of the other shots, because I feel like it looks a lot better. I feel like it looks a lot better when you can actually see me, because there's, you know, you get some little jumps in there, but it's like on the GoPro mount, you don't really, I know on the GoPro chest mount, you don't really see a whole lot of the jumps at all. You probably hear the tires leave the ground, but that's about it. Well, all right guys, I'm parking the truck right now, so I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.